here's the products we're gonna use today. Some lemons, Arm& Hammer baking soda, some Dominican vanilla, some cinnamon, some alkaline water. This is naturally alkaline. And here's the measuring cup and the spritz bottle. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut up the lemons and be right back. And I'm gonna boil the cinnamon sticks and I'll be back. Today we're gonna do a DIY aromatherapy, car, home, anywhere basically, locker room, deodorizing spray. And all you need is 5 ingredients. So it's gonna be cinnamon sticks, lemon, vanilla, any kind of vanilla, flavoring, water, lemons, cinnamon sticks, baking soda, and vanilla, and water. Boom! All right, let's go. Let me see how. Okay, squeeze the lemon. Okay, so now we already have the lemons cut up and we have the water, the alkaline, which is 8.2. We have everything. So here's your lemons, and this is the cup that I already squeezed the lemons. You saw baking soda at 8.2 alkaline water. Let's check it out. 8.2. You see it? Okay, let's get it. This is the cinnamon I boiled in a cup because I don't have a funnel to put in. So this is at home. This is baking soda. So I already got it prepared. Okay, and this is a squeezer that's giving me such a hard time. So we're gonna squeeze some more. Yeah, just squeeze some more. It was a lot of noise, so I had to do this voiceover. Yeah. And once you prepare it, it's like 1, 2, 3. So you could spray this anywhere, in your car, in your office, at home. See how I'm moving around on the road. When you're on the road and you're in like different hotels and you want it to smell like home, you could spray it on the sheets. Spray it in the air. It's deodorizing, air freshener. Oh my God, I just love how it smells. So amazing. And this is Dominican style vanilla. Okay. Let's open that and pour some in. Yes. And let's get some water. Let's add all these ingredients. So you could do this at home. I mean, you have these ingredients. If you want, you don't have to always spend a lot of money for those fancy, smancy stuff. Just mix it up. So I was just going in. I wanted more water. And just mix it in. And then, what are we going to put next? I don't know what I was talking about. I was going ham. I was like, don't judge me. Squeeze the lemon juice. So you know the limoncello candle from Bath & Body Works? It smells so amazing. It smells just like this. So let's get some lemon juice. And we're going to add to it. If it was squeezed, it's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Woo-wee. Yeah. Let's get it. Get all the juice you can get. You don't have to put a lot of lemon unless you love lemon scent like I do. You just squeeze in the lemon juice, put in, oh, it smells so good, the cinnamon water. So that's boiled cinnamon sticks. That's it. You just boil it, pour it in. I didn't have a funnel, so I use these little cups. And yeah, see, I'm on the road, so you could do this anywhere, like I said. And then we're gonna add the lemon juice. Oh my gosh, Little disclaimer, I didn't know it pours over. So y'all just, yeah, here we go. Look at my face. Try to do this over a bowl, not on a table, not where you have like your expensive items or whatever. You don't want to mess it up. I was not that prepared, as we see, but oh well. Let's get this going. Just wipe it, clean it. Yeah, it's just a little bubbly, but that's what happens. Yeah, so we're gonna pour some more in. I had to, clean up the area. Yes. So once you do everything, you just put in your little squeezy. You add all the ingredients, put it in, put your vanilla at the end, how much you want, it doesn't matter. Your desire. I put a lot. I put a little more once I came off camera. I like to OD. And just squeeze it. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, I hope y'all staying safe. I put a little more water. Yeah, I told you I like to OD. But yes, I've been wanting to make this for so long. Just mix it up and start spraying. Oh my gosh, I love the smell. So it was a crying baby in the background. I didn't want y'all ears to fall off. Yeah, let's mix it up. Mixing up the medicine. Okay. You just twist it on. You could get this at Dollar Tree. So the squeezy bottle, just get a Dollar Tree. It's $1. Yeah, and it smells like heaven. Tried it. Okay. Tried it. Okay, let's get it. 3 times the charm. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's get it. Yeah, that's funny. Okay. All right, thanks. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.